You know, Juan, sometimes some people ask me, Mike, how do you plug a tire? Do you know how to plug a tire?
I do.
Let's plug a tire.
Do it.
All right, so now, in order to plug a tire, make some room on the old 68 Chevelle workbench, you need to go to your local parts store, whatever, Wally World, Walmart, whatever, Costco, I'm sure Costco's, whatever, anyway. And you pick up a plug kit, and it comes with stuff like this. Okay, it comes with the rasp. We've got poking a hole in it, and this is what you put these things in there with, okay? These are like, I don't like fiber with really sticky stuff on it. Good stuff though, okay? All right, so what we'll do, we'll get one ready, if I can get it apart. Very sticky.
Super sticky.
Very much. 40 feet. There's one side of the plastic. And stick it back on the plastic because it'll stick to everything. I have to roll the car forward a little bit, maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, just roll it forward just a little bit. You don't even really have to start it. Just. Oh. Good. Yeah. Get it?
Yeah.
You getting it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. She's in there, isn't it? Are you filming her?
Yeah, I think it's sideways.
Are you? Okay, here's it.
Oh. It's a screw.
Okay, can you see what's going on there?
Yeah.
Yeah. It is a screw?
Yeah.
All right. No, don't take it all the way out until we're ready to pop the other thing in there, okay? Yeah, she was in her sideways. Man, big old sheet metal screw in it.
Yeah.
Okay. Get your rasp ready to put in the hole. Good night. Okay, so you put the rasp in there, move it back and forth, back and forth. And so you always got to try to go by the way the screw went in, or nail or whatever.
Okay. Think she's ready?
I think so. Okay. So now you stick the plug in there. You have to hit it sometimes, Juan. So there's just a little bit sticking out, okay?
Right there.
Okay. See how much sticking out. All right, so you just want a little bit sticking out. Now, Juan, take this and twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. And then you have to snatch it out real quick. Snatch it out of there. Just pull it right out. All right. So you got a little piece sticking out.
Yep.
All right. Now take those cutters, those end cutters, nippers, and clip it off level with the tire. We'll check it for bubbles. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. It's just a little bit sticking out, and that's fine. Okay. Well, cool. All right. So now let me get some bubble making stuff. Okay, so get anything that'll make bubbles, purple power, whatever, anyway. And you wanted to spray it on the patch. I don't see any bubbles. So we're gonna call that a win. Eh? All right. Hey, stay tuned for some more. Hopefully the weather will cooperate with us. All right? Don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment. All right. See you soon.